Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Matt from Matt Tech Tidbits, and this is the Google Sheets Intermediate Series. Whatever skill you're at and whatever level in your spreadsheet game, this is a great series for you to learn and to grow into that next level. This series has 9.5 hours of video and questions included. It's totally free here on YouTube, and we'll cover a lot of different stuff. I did split it up into 7 different sections. The first would be organization, nesting functions, data validation, sharing, number formatting, intermediate functions, and conditional formatting. All of these play a pivotal role in creating organized, structured data in your spreadsheet and builds a great foundation for more advanced functions and functionality. Now, as you go through these, there will be challenge questions to test your understanding of each section. So as you go through, I definitely encourage you to try those out. Watch the video if there's some that don't quite make sense or you don't quite get the concept in order to really see how this can be valuable in your instance. And at the very end, there will be a certificate that you can print out. You can get 9.5 hours of professional development or something to show, hey, you've been learning this concepts. Now, I'm not affiliated with any college or organization there, but I've been in education for 10 years. I'm not going to say it's accredited, but in any case, it is time that I truly believe will be worthwhile for you and your professional development. So thanks for stopping by. If you have questions, please leave a comment in any of the videos and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. You can hit those like buttons and subscribes as well if you enjoy this content. And let's get started learning. We'll see you in the next one. Bye now.